In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a column chart in Microsoft Excel. So here I have the hotel guest table, right? It has the hotel location, the number of guests that the hotel can accommodate for each location, the occupancy rate, and the number of guests, and so on, right? What we're going to do for today's video, we're going to make a chart, right, that shows for each one of these locations the number of guests that the hotel can accommodate at the particular location, and also the current number of guests that are in that hotel. So what we're going to do, we're going to block the cells here from A2 through A13 because we want to show on a graph, and we're using the column chart, sorry, to indicate the number of guests that the hotel can accommodate and the number of guests that are currently there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press and hold down the control key on my keyboard. I'm going to click and I'm going to select this, and I need a number of guests, right? So once I do that, I can click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then I can go to Recommended Charts, and these are the different types of charts that the software is recommending, right? So we can scroll on these and see the other charts that are available for based on our data. I'm going to close it, and we're going to create the column chart by ourselves from scratch, right? So if I click this drop down arrow, I see the different charts that I can use to create the chart. So we're going to click this one, and here we have the chart, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the chart title, and I'm going to give it a name. So we're going to say a comparison of the number of guests and the hotel accommodation for each hotel. All right, so this is our title for our chart, right? Now what I'm going to do, if I click on this area here, I'll get a plus, this plus element. So it gives you some chart elements, this plus sign, right? It enables you to add or remove chart elements such as the title, the legend, the grid lines, and the data labels. So I'm going to click on it. And what I might want to label my axis titles, right? And if I hover over here to the right, there we have some different options. I also want to show the data labels, all right? So that is it there. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to change the axis title here, and I'm going to call this axis title here hotel locations, and this axis I'm going to label it as um, hotel accommodation, and number of guests. All right, so we click outside. All right, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move this, oh no, I'm going to let it stay there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place this chart on a new sheet, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click, then I'm going to go to move chart, then I'm going to put it on a new sheet, and then I'm going to click OK. So here it is on a new sheet, right? And here we have the different values and we have the axis labeled, right? So what I can do is save this information, and this is how you would present a column chart showing the number of guests that the hotel can accommodate and the actual number of guests that are currently at the hotel location. Okay, so this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to make or generate a column chart given the Excel file. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do a bar chart. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.